Hello everybody. In this video, I want to talk about Perplexity's new AI-powered browser called Comet. To get started, go to perplexity.ai/comet and the link is in my description and click download Comet. After installing it, you'll be greeted with this screen which looks very similar to Perplexity's own homepage. You can log into it with your Perplexity account. Most of the features are free except some agentic features which require Perplexity Pro. In this video, I want to show you the basic features so you can get started today instead of getting too overwhelmed by everything it can do. And it can do a lot of things. I'm going to cover those in my future videos. You can get started by asking any questions right here. For example, I'm going to say, give me the latest on the Bitcoin price. And it tells me the current Bitcoin price is 83,670. You can also type anything on the search bar on the top, and you can also use a microphone right here to do a typing. For example, I'm going to do, give me the latest news on AI today. Press enter. Cool, now it's doing some research on what's going on with AI. And it's given me some information that I can use.
This video is sponsored by Solvly, your AI-powered study companion. I can upload my notes, slides, and even photos from class. Solvly instantly turns these into flashcards, quizzes, and a full study guide. And this part blew my mind. I can take any YouTube video, literally just copy and paste the link, and Solvly instantly pulls out the key points, turns the whole thing into clean, organized notes, and then automatically generates a full quiz based on the video. It's like turning every lecture or tutorial into a study guide without doing any of the work. Try it for free today. The link is mentioned in my description.
So by default, the search here is set to perplexity.ai, but you can also go to google.com and start Googling anything like nano banana. And you can get to a Google result right away. And now that you're on a web page, you can interact with the web page directly using the assistant. And for that, you can click on the top right, which opens up the assistant panel. And you can see that this web page is selected in its context right here. I'm going to say, summarize this. And it will give me a summary of this web page right away. You can also select a portion of the web page. For example, if I select this, you see how it's selecting that in the context. I'm going to say translate this text to Japanese. And it has translated that piece of text to Japanese. I can also use the voice feature on the top and click launch voice mode. Tell me how you can use Nano Banana for content creation.
You can use Nano Banana to create consistent AI influencers and user-generated content for social media and marketing campaigns. It ensures character consistency and scene preservation, making edits look natural. It's perfect for transforming images with simple text prompts.
You can also go to any web page like this and request a summary right away without typing anything using this button right here which says summarize the current web page. And there we have a summary of this web page about Gemini 3 Pro. Now let me work on making this summary into a YouTube script. So I'm going to say create a 30-second YouTube short script using this. And here I have a concise 30-second script summarizing Gemini 3.4 by Google DeepMind. Now, if I like a prompt that I can use regularly like this one, I can actually save this prompt using a shortcut feature. So for that, you can go to more actions and say save query as shortcut, where it asks me to provide the shortcut name. I'm going to say 30, say tradingview.com. I can just type 30 and it will get that shortcut and give me a 30-second YouTube short about this page. I can also use YouTube quite easily. For example, I have this video about the world's most expensive town. So, and as you can see here, it has already been added to the context right here. I'm going to say, summarize this video. It says this video is about Xad, Switzerland, a famously exclusive town known as Billionaire's Playground. Over the weekend, they track how much a trip would actually cost there. Now I can say, give me 5 videos similar to this. And there we have the 5 videos which are similar to this style of videos. You can also have a video running in the background like this lo-fi song. And you can control it with the top section right here where you can control this music. So I can go and work on something else, like find the top rated noise cancelling headphones, and I can control this music from the top. Now, if English is not your native language, you can also switch the language right here to say Dutch. And now the whole platform is now going to be in Dutch. But I don't speak Dutch, so I'm going to switch it back to standard. Now, these are the standard features on how you can get started with Perplexity. You also have the feature called Research and Labs, but those are available on the Pro account. Now, if you come to the bottom and go on this button right here, you'll see all the models that are available with Perplexity. Right now, it's choosing the best model according to your query, but we have other models you can select. For example, it has Sonar, which is Perplexity's own model. We have GPT, which is OpenAI, Cloud Sonnet, Gemini 3 Pro, Grok from X. But again, all of these features are available on the Pro account of Perplexity. Now, the last thing I want to mention to make sure your searches on the free version of Perplexity are pretty good, you should make sure to set your sources pretty well. For example, right now it's going through the entire internet, which is the web. You can also go through other things like socials, which is like Reddit and stuff, and you can go to academic papers. For example, if I close web and go to academic and say, me some papers on COVID, it's going to go through some sources which are relevant for research. You can also go to the links directly right here. Now, that's all I have for you in this video about Comet. I'll have future videos coming up which will cover more features which are available on the Pro version of Perplexity. Hope you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this one. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.